I found 10 easy AI side hustles that you can make money online with. These are side hustles that can make money relatively quickly and don't require much skill. I spent over 100 hours researching up to the last minute information. If you appreciate me providing this extensive research to ensure that you get the best content possible, then please hit that button. Let's jump into number 1 on the list. Photo colorization or restoration. Ever wondered what your ancestors looked like in a vivid color instead of blurry black and white photos? Thanks to amazing AI tools like Deep AI, you can bring historical photos from the 1800s or 1900s back to life. Imagine waving your magic wand over old memories and transforming them into vibrant, historic images. This side hustle preserves memories and pays well. Just look at someone on Fiverr who had made over $100,000 restoring family albums. Start by showcasing your portfolio on platforms like Fiverr to attract clients and earn a solid income. Background removal. Many people, including myself, have paid for this service. This is useful for profile pictures, thumbnails, and other purposes. AI tools like remove.bg, removal.ai, and Canva AI, background remover, can make this very easy. For example, a Fiverr seller with over 784 reviews charges $10, so they likely have made at least $14,000 to $21,000. This is easy to do and can be found on Upwork and Fiverr. This one gets 8 out of 10 opportunity score. Watermark removal. Sites like Watermark Remover.io and Dr. Watermark offer tools for this. For example, a Fiverr seller with over 933 reviews charges $15, meaning they made at least $8,000. You can also offer the opposite service, adding watermarks. This is another easy task, and AI tools can handle it most of the time. This one gets a 7.5 out of 10 opportunity score. Publishing children's books. According to Child Stats, the demand for children's books is growing, with 74.6 million children expected this year. The world's first AI-generated children's book, Alice in Sparkle, was created using ChatGPT and Midjourney. For example, someone made $1 million with AI-generated books, and another blogger sold their first AI-generated book the day after it went live on Amazon KDP. To get started, conduct market research, get an idea from successful sellers, and use AI tools like ChatGPT and Midjourney for writing and illustrations. Develop your prompting skills, do a quality control check, and list your book on Amazon. This one gets 9 out of 10 opportunity score. Next is blogging. Blogging is another tried and true method of making money online. You can write articles for your own blog, work as a freelancer, or write for websites like Medium. AI tools can help generate SEO-optimized content quickly. For example, someone made $3,000 in a month with AI-generated content, and another increased their blog's income from $200 to $4,000 a month within 5 months using Jasper AI. This one gets 9.5 out of 10 opportunity score. Creating and selling online courses. Websites like Udemy and Skillshare are famous for selling courses. AI can help you create a course outline and content quickly. For example, someone made $10,000 a month with AI-powered courses by creating over 40 different courses. To get started, use AI to create a course outline. Research each step and list your course on platforms like Udemy or Skillshare. This one gets an 8 out of 10 opportunity score. Freelance content writing is another profitable side hustle. You can write scripts for YouTube videos, blog posts, or other content. There's a high demand for scriptwriters, and AI can help you generate ideas and content quickly. For example, someone made $600 with a chatgpt written article in 30 seconds. On Fiverr, freelance writers charge $10 to $150 per article. This one gets 9 out of 10 opportunity score. Copywriting services. Copywriting services are another advanced writing opportunity. This involves creating sales or marketing content, and AI tools like Copy AI, ChatGPT, and Jasper AI can help you to generate high-quality copy. Specializing in a niche can make you more successful. This one gets 9 out of 10 opportunity score. Selling digital art is another creative side hustle. You can create AI-generated art, coloring books, or other digital products. For example, someone on Fiverr offered children's book illustrations using Stable Diffusion AI and had made at least $2,600. AI-generated art can be popular and profitable. This one gets 9 out of 10 opportunity score. Finally, creating an e-commerce store is another great opportunity. AI tools can help you create the website and the merchandise, such as print-on-demand products. Websites like AirDub and Daco.io offer tools for this. Once you create a store and list your products, you can start selling without investing in inventory upfront. This one gets a high opportunity score as well. If any of these ideas resonate with you, or have your own AI side hustle success story, please share it here. Just drop the comment below. And remember to subscribe for more tips and updates on leveraging AI for online success. Hit that notification bell so you'll never miss out.